Hello, this is Daniel from Syntevo. Today I'm gonna show you how you can link JIRA with Git using SmartGit. So we have a JIRA tracker and you can see there is already an issue, link commits with JIRA. And we have a repo on GitHub, but this could also be Bitbucket or something else. And we have our documentation that is pretty extensive. The first step we need to do, we need to add a gitbugtraq file to our repo. So here you can see all the versions, how you can do this. So let's get started. I start with SmartGit 24.1 and we connect it to my GitHub because it's fresh. So now it's connected to GitHub and we can now select the repo and clone the repo. I choose to use SmartGit as the credential helper as it will allow me to use all other Git clients using SmartGit for authentication. And we are fine with the folder. Now we have the repo locally on our computer and it's cloning. To add the gitbugtraq, we need to add the file to the main folder of the repo. I prepared a file in Visual Studio Code that I only need to save. And we can save it, and now we can create the commit. Of course, I have forgotten the issue ID, so let's go back to JIRA and check it out. So it's IS-4. I go here and say IS-4 edit gitbugtraq. So now we have our first commit, and what we can see here immediately, it's already linked to gitbugtraq. So if I click on the hyperlink, it will open up JIRA and I can go into the details of the issue immediately. Cool, isn't it? But it's kind of annoying that I need to switch to the browser to look up the issue number, right? This links JIRA to SmartGit. So we write the command, an improvement, and now we want to create an additional commit. And here is the burger menu, and I can click on the burger menu, and here you have select from JIRA. If I click on select from JIRA, I'm asked for username, password, and token. Attention, on the hosted version, it works like this. I need to type in the email address here, and I need to go to the Atlassian API tokens and create an API token. Not Git. Obviously, the expiry date is pretty short, but this is for demo purposes. And now I can copy the API token, go back to SmartGit, and use the token in the password field. This is kind of confusing, but there is other scenarios where you only use the token. For the hosted JIRA, you have to use the username as email and the token in the password field. Now I can connect, and the list of issues is empty. What we have here is you can use GQL queries to filter your issues, and obviously none of these queries matches my selection. So I can go back to JIRA, switch to JQL mode, copy this JQL query, go back to SmartGit, copy my JQL query here, hit refresh, and we can see the issues. And again, because it's the same topic, we will select the same issue, and we can go down here and say edit comment to gitbugtraq. And again, the same result. We have the link to the JIRA directly in SmartGit. So this is Daniel from Syntevo. Today I showed you how to quickly link JIRA with Git using SmartGit. We are using gitbugtraq for the links, and we use the additional configuration to be able to directly select issues from SmartGit. Thank you.